to all my wonderful second PUC champions. I hope all of you are doing absolutely great. Well, I know second PUC is coming up, your tension is also building up, the BP is also going up, but then why are you sad? You should not be sad, okay? Rather, if we are sad, we remain sad only, okay? We'll go on like this, we'll not study anything, and our PU2 marks is going to go low only, and we will be more sad. On the other hand, if at all you think of the scenario that, okay, I'll try to handle my emotions by myself, I'll try to move forward, I'll try to do what I can do in this particular day with whatever resources that I have, and see what is going to happen with my results. You are definitely going to see an improvement. Okay, and most of us are somewhere in the middle, not knowing where to go, and most of the times we go on the other side. Okay, we go on the other side, having self-doubt, call up our friends and ask, Macha, how much have you studied? Oh, you have studied this much. Okay, then I'll keep the phone and then I'll think, oh my God, I have not reached anywhere. What should I do? And I keep thinking about that, piling up things, thoughts, and everything happens. At the end of the day, still I'm the same place itself. I do not know what I studied. I feel that whatever I've studied, I'm forgetting it. No, you are not forgetting things. You are not forgetting anything. It's just that anxiousness is building up. So, my dear children, if at all you are able to relate to me, whatever I just said, you need to understand that whatever you are feeling right now, every one of us have felt that at some point of our life while studying. So, it's not just you. Okay, and this has a solution, and the solution is to make your mind prepared and say that I can do it, and just go ahead. And trust me on this, it's not you who is alone. In the next 10 days or how many days ever which is left, we are here, and by that I actually mean that we are here. Okay, tomorrow at 12 p.m. we are going to launch the second PUC endgame, which is going to help you with the complete revision. You might be standing up somewhere over here with no idea about what to study. You might be over here having no idea about how you should do your revision because you've studied everything. It's common for all. This is definitely going to help all of you. Physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, Kannada, English, mathematics, everything is going to be catered. There are so many teachers out there. You have seen them, you have seen their videos, right? So my dear children, put your trust on us as well, more on you and little bit on us as well. We will help you out, okay? And there will be a structured way of how we will be teaching. There will be 1 markers questions that will be covered, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker, the HOTS question. Each and everything will be covered and given to you. If at all you're looking for free resources for understanding concepts, there is Masterstroke. If at all you want to solve the PYQs, there is Brahmastra. Lot of resources are available. It's just you who need to start off. And this is the right time. It might be, I do not know at what time you're watching this. It can be 8 p.m., 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. or 1 a.m. also. I do not know. But whatever time you're watching this video, just have this in your head that the next moment, okay, whenever I have time, I am going to go ahead and get studying. That's the only thing that you have to do as of now. So that's the only thing that I have to tell you guys as well. Please take care of yourself. It's just an examination. It will end. Okay, it's not your ending. It's just that this part of your life is going to end. That is your 12th grade. Your school life is going to end. Let's end it on a very good note. Okay, let's score good. Let's make our parents proud. Let's make yourselves proud. Yes, and do let us know your marks and everything once you're done with your exams. We will also try to take a little bit share of what do you call, of the proudness out there, right? So just kidding out there. We just want you guys to be happy. And yeah, we genuinely want that. So stay tuned for the end game. It's launching live at 12 p.m. on Monday. Okay, so that's all for now. Wishing you all the best. If at all you are watching this video, and if you think that this video helped you in some ways out there, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and be there. And it's not like today I'm having full josh, tomorrow I will not be having. Please have the full josh tomorrow also. Please watch all the videos, okay? And listen to me as a teacher. I'm telling you, it takes a huge lot of effort to come over here and talk for hours in a studio alone. It feels like a mad person sometimes, but we do that for you. Why? Because we want you guys to study properly. So make the best utilization of it. Okay, so yes, that's all. Please take care of yourself. Bye bye. Lots of love from JJ ma'am. Please take care. Bye bye.